Everyone in this world is coming from their own internal reality.
Yes.
The big one that I have, and I'm a culprit of it, I know everyone is, you know, people talk about having presence and being able to listen.
Yeah.
However, when people are talking, there's times when they activate things within inside you and you start talking to yourself.
Yes, yeah.
So you're actually not listening to what they're saying.
It's that old Stephen Covey rule 5. Listen to understand before listening to respond or something to that effect. And it's right, because you kind of get part of it. You're constructing your own thought or something else has gone through your mind rather than just purely, and it's hard to just be purely 100% listen, take it all in. Now think of the response or think of your comment, because you're already constructing it as it's happening.
That's right. Yeah. or someone, that's right. Or someone's made a point here and you're constructing something around that when they've already talked about this and they've made 6 other steps and you go, well, I'm going to come back here.
Yeah.
And you've been stuck in that the whole time.
You get caught in it.
You do. And it's a natural thing that happens, you know. It's like everyone does it.
Yeah. Yep.
It's like it's guaranteed to happen.
Yeah.
It's guaranteed to happen. It's like, you know, there's things, I wrote a post yesterday, you know, like for me, communication is like taking responsibility, but then being able to communicate. I feel them two are hand in hand, two of the biggest things that people need to look at, because I feel through taking responsibility and communicating opens up awareness, opens up acceptance, opens up appreciation.
Yeah, spot on. Responsibility, communication. Without any of that, you wouldn't get to those points.
You wouldn't get to that, no. But I wrote a post yesterday, you know, it said that, you know, our brain has like 400 billion bits of information every second.
Yeah.
But we're only consciously aware of 200 of them.
Yeah.
So what's happening with all those other ones?
Yeah.
You know, it's like, but someone says something and it'll trigger us to go back to one of those other ones that we weren't consciously aware of at the time, but we.
Yes, I've read something similar to that, the amount of information, but we're only aware of just a minute percentage of that.